Are you sure this is edible?
Yes. Autumn is definitely one of my favorite seasons of the year. Leaves turn yellow, orange and red and fall on the trail, leaving a lovely crunch behind every step. But if there's something I love about autumn, is that it's the season of mushrooms. In northern Norway, autumn comes a bit earlier than in other places. By middle August, the first mushrooms appear and the mushrooms hunting season starts. I am not a big expert in mushrooms, to be honest, but there are a few species that I identified quite well and that I crave for in that time of the year. Pixup, as called in Norwegian, or the wood hedgehog, is one of them. These mushrooms are very easy to identify because their gills are shaped as stalactites. Wood hedgehog mushrooms tend to grow near pine trees, in forests that are not too swampy, rather a bit dry, although I've also found some of these mushrooms in birch forests. However, birch forest is mainly reserved to another delicious mushroom, the cantarell. Cantarells are my absolute favorite mushrooms. The smell of these recently collected is indescribable, but they can be a bit harder to find compared to other mushrooms. Picking mushrooms is one of my favorite hobbies, and eating them is a delicacy worth trying. But not everything can be perfect, and cleaning mushrooms can be, let's say, annoying. Every mushroom must be carefully inspected for worms and washed to remove remains of soil, leaves, and tiny forest animals. And here is another reason why cantarells are my favorite mushrooms. They barely contain worms. In comparison, the wood hedgehog or the boletus mushrooms are crowded with them. It's quite hard to pick one of these mushrooms in perfect condition, especially big ones, as the boletus you see here. Boletus are delicious to eat in creamy soups, with a bit of oregano on top and some crunchy bread. But reality is that they are so difficult to clean that I really think twice before picking them. So lately I've been focusing more on collecting cantarells and wood hedgehog. Those, fried with a bit of garlic and olive oil, are all you need for a luxurious meal and to impress anybody. Plus they are so versatile that you can either eat them on a piece of bread with some butter and oregano on top, or you can mix them with some pasta, with some cheese on top, or even you can put it in a French omelette. So I definitely recommend you to try this. And if you like this video, remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video. And I thank you so much for watching it. And I'll see you in the next video.